Hi all, welcome back. So today is 20th February 2023 and equity markets are already closed for the day. And in this video, I would like to discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty movement today. So let us try to analyze what kind of move it has happened in both Nifty and Bank Nifty and what kind of points which we have to note it down to uh, think about the upcoming trades. Okay, so currently I am on Nifty daily time frame chart. Okay, so if you watch my last analysis video, we have discussed that these levels in the Nifty, right? The first level is 18,130 as a key resistance level for the Nifty for this week, and 17,780 or roughly 17,800 is the key support for Nifty. So these two levels we have plotted, and we assume that as long as Nifty is trading in this particular zone, uh, buyers, mean the long positional pairs, can still be confident in their position and they can wait before closing their positions, because this is still a buying zone only. Because if you see the past behavior, Nifty, until unless Nifty is trading in this zone, there is more chances that any point of time it can reach to that resistance again. So that's the reason we assume that there is a chance that Nifty may spend time or may trade in this particular zone here. So as we expected, that we are seeing that today Nifty is traded in that particular zone only. Now, coming to the behavior here, so we are seeing a complete red candle, right? There is small spike just above the body of the candle. There is a small spike above the body of the candle. Apart from that spike, it was continuous selling pressure is observing in the Nifty, and there is a small spike below the body of the candle. So excluding those spikes, that we can easily understand that there is a heavy selling pressure in the Nifty today. Okay, but one thing we have to note it down is that Nifty is still in the good buying zone only. This is what the buying zone is there. So now, by seeing this complete bearish candle, what we are observing is that, so there is a chance that maybe tomorrow or a day after tomorrow, there is a chance that the Nifty may fall up to this support. Okay, and it may take some sort of support here and it will try to go up from here. If in case if it gets a good support and if buyers want to take the advantage of that support, they will definitely bring back the Nifty towards this high, that is around 18,130 level roughly. Otherwise, if the buyers are unable to make use of that support, even after getting the support here, if the buyers are not able to utilize that support, then there is a chance that it may even fall below that support and it may reach to this the last support level, that is for 17,400 level. Okay, so that is what the behavior I'm expecting. Either maybe today, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Nifty may fall. I mean, the selling pressure may continue still, and it may retest or it may uh, come up to this support level, that is around 17,800. So this is what my expectation, because of seeing this complete red candle today. Right? If you see the previous session, there is some sort of buying attempt has happened, because there is a spike, huge spike below the body of the candle and huge spike above the body of the candle. It is some sort of a doji candle, but after doji candle, we are getting a sell signal here, complete a red candle. So which is showing that selling pressure is heavy. So that's the reason I'm expecting that Nifty, we may see a selling pressure still continue and the price may fall up to the support level. So after reaching to the support, we have to wait and see how that support is behaving, whether it is giving support or not. We have to wait and see. Okay, so for now, you can say that Nifty will have some selling pressure continue for tomorrow also. Now, this is what we are seeing in the daily time frame, right? So now I would like to see the intraday move, or how it moved in the intraday perspective. Okay, so I've moved to 5-minute time frame now, and this is the complete move for the day. Now, if we observe it clearly, how the price or how the Nifty fell. Okay, so initially first 5-minute candle. This is first 5-minute candle. So first 5-minute candle, it opened at 17,960, somewhere around that, and immediately it fell down, but it went up again. The buyers managed to take it up again, but again it fell down. After falling below the first 5-minute candle, again buyers took it up above the first small resistance of the day. This is the first small resistance of the day, right? 1 minute. Right, this is a small resistance that they created initially. First 5-minute candle fell down from there, and again it reached to that. Again it fell down. Again buyers took it up above that resistance. That means who all are sold the Nifty here, they would have kept their stop losses just above the small resistance. So they killed all these stop losses. I mean, they killed all the sellers who are active here. And psychologically, what we feel by seeing this kind of move, 2 times Nifty fell down. I mean, first attempt in first 5-minute candle, it fell down, it went up. Again, it fell down, again, it went up. So by seeing this kind of behavior, it is something like a W form, right? It went up, it fell down, again, it went up. So when we see a W kind of pattern, and if it breaks above this, that tells us that there is some kind of buying activity is stronger than the seller, and most of the traders will think about the buying only because of this kind of behavior. So here with this, I can say that there are many of the buyers are trapped, or many of the buyers have taken their positions, right? And the reason for the buyers to take the position here is, if I zoom out, there is the previous day high also, right, which is closer to it. So this is previous day high. So all the buyers who are taking their position, they will have one point in their mind, that is, this is kind of a W pattern breakout, and also there is a previous day high which is closer to it. So that's combining those 2 points. There will be heavy buyers who will be taking their buy positions. But what happened? Manipulators utilized that psychological thinking from the traders. They have given the signal, and they have trapped as many buyers as possible. After that, it fell down and it struggled a lot to go up again. They took support, some sort of support here. It fell down. They took some sort of support, but they spent a lot of time here. Okay, if I check the duration, they spent almost 1 hour, 5 minutes duration in this particular small consolidation zone, right? Which shows that the buyers are trying to take it up, but unable to go up from there after getting the small support. Once the candle closed below that, then after sellers started taking it down completely. So what we can see here, what we can understand here is, if in intraday price action, what we observe generally is, if the price or Nifty or Bank Nifty wants to come down, they don't come down directly. Initially, they will try to go up. They will show a move which makes the traders to take buy positions, so that all the buyers who are taking their positions, they might be keeping stop. Some people might be keeping stop losses just below it. Some people might be keeping stop losses just below the day low. Some people might be keeping their stop losses just below the previous day low also. So manipulators want that kind of behavior to happen. Let retail traders, a normal trader, to take their buy positions and keep their stop losses at the few levels, so that later on, slowly, and manipulators, they can take it away, all the stop losses. So this is what the general kind of behavior we observe in the intraday price action. So that is what we are seeing in the Nifty now, right? So falling, I mean, Nifty fell down, but along with that, they trapped the buyers also. That is the point which we have to note it down here. Okay, so now, as I mentioned, by seeing this kind of behavior in the daily time frame and in the lower time frame, there are more chances that Nifty may continue, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Maybe at least in this week, they may retest this support and see how this support will behave at that point of time. Okay, so this is what the behavior we are seeing in the Nifty. And let me go to the Bank Nifty quickly. Here also we have discussed in the previous video that let me go to daily time frame once. So this is a daily time frame Bank Nifty chart, and we have plotted these two levels actually in the previous analysis video. So this level we have said that 41,800 is the key resistance for the Bank Nifty, and 40,800 or 40,900 is the key support for the Bank Nifty. So these two levels we have plotted, and we assume that Bank Nifty will be trading in this particular zone or between these two levels. And we assume that if it breaks below that support in the daily time frame, and if it closes below, then there will be a more selling pressure may continue to bring the Bank Nifty down to this last support. So this is what the analysis we have done in the previous video. Now, as we have done the analysis, so Bank Nifty opened in the particular zone only, but unfortunately by the end of the day, the closing is below the support which we have plotted. So that shows that selling pressure is heavy here also, right? And we are seeing from last 3 consecutive days, there are selling pressure is heavily observed in the Bank Nifty, and today also it is a very big range candle, and it closing is also below the previous support. So that shows that selling pressure is heavy here. So unlike Nifty is in still the zone, whatever the zone which we have plotted, it is still in that zone only. So at this point, we cannot tell that sellers will bring it down all the way. But when we come to Bank Nifty, it is looking like it may come down to the next support level, which is coming around for 39,800 or 39,900. Right, by seeing the behavior that we are from last 3 days. Okay, so very strong selling behavior is observing here. And let me go to intraday move also, 5-minute time frame, and see how it is moved. So here also a similar kind of behavior has happened initially during the day. So first 5 minutes it fell down, again it took it up, again it fell down, they took it up again. So when we see a W kind of behavior, definitely there will be most of the buyers will be interested to take their positions. But unfortunately, after trapping the buyers, intraday buyers, slowly and steadily they started coming down continuously, and they did not even give a chance to bring down their losses also. Who have taken the buyers buying position here, there is no chance for them to at least to average it, so that to capture some sort of upward move to make a small to bring down the loss. That is also not happened today. So completely a selling behavior after a good buying trap in the initial first 1 hour session. Similar behavior what we have observed in the Nifty, right? So this is a general behavior we observe in the intraday, not only Nifty, Bank Nifty, in every stock. So we have to learn that also. And as we observing that there is a selling pressure continuing. So now let me go to daily time frame here. So again, so though we are seeing a good red candles here at this point of time, we can say only a selling pressure is heavy in the Bank Nifty, but we cannot confirm it, because we have to see some sort of buying activity also, some buying activities, and we have to understand that buyers are unable to take the Bank Nifty to this level. And after seeing that failure of buyers only, we have to take short positions here to assume that Bank Nifty will reach to the support. So we have to look for the buyer's failure. So then only we can say that buyers are not interested to take the Bank Nifty to this resistance level, that is 41,800. So in simple, I will say that in Bank Nifty at the moment we are seeing a good selling pressure, but we may see a buying again, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we may see buying again, but we have to wait how that buying behaves. If it keeps on continuing to go up, or they try to take it up, and if they fail or not, if they fail, then we can look for the short position. So for now, in Bank Nifty, we have to wait for the decision, and in the Nifty, I assume that it may fall to that support level. So this is what my analysis in the both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let us wait and see what will happen tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.